working together for good. We know that all things work together for good to them that love God. Romans chapter 8 verse 28. We might never have had the songs of Fanny Crosby had she not been afflicted with blindness. George Matheson would never have given the world his immortal song, "O Love That Will Not Let Me Go," had it not been for his passing through the furnace of affliction. The Hallelujah chorus was written by George Frederick Handel when he was poverty-stricken and suffering from a paralyzed right side and right arm. Affliction may be for our edification and Christian development. Sickness is one of the all things which work together for good to them that love God. Don't resent it. Don't be embittered by it. Prayer for the day. You do not make mistakes, Father. If sorrow comes into my life, let me use it to help others know about you.